Homeworks is the specialist housing division of Rodar Limited, one of the UK's leading asbestos removal companies. All domestic asbestos projects start at our Homeworks Centre, where our experienced team work closely with our clients to plan and deliver all aspects of the project. Before any project begins, our tenant liaison officer will meet with our client's representative at the resident's property. This meeting enables us to explain all aspects of the project to the resident and answer any questions they may have. On the day of the project, our specialist domestic asbestos removal engineers arrive on site in one of our purpose-built welfare vehicles. The tenant liaison officer will conduct a final toolbox talk, outlining all the requirements of the project to the engineers. Once the project is underway, the engineers begin to construct a typical asbestos removal enclosure. This involves covering and protecting any fixed items that must remain inside the area during the works. Our specialist asbestos removal equipment is then incorporated as part of the enclosure to ensure that the required negative pressure and airflow can be achieved. This process ensures that the enclosed area remains completely isolated and safe for all concerned. Wearing full protective equipment, the engineers move from the welfare vehicle into the controlled environment of the working enclosure, which has been constructed via a two-stage airlock. The asbestos-containing material is thoroughly wetted using fibre suppressant and taken down in manageable pieces and placed into specially manufactured bags and sealed. The live working area is then cleaned to the highest standards using an H-type vacuum and other specialist cleaning materials. The waste material is removed to the secure waste compartment in our welfare vehicle and is then transported off-site to a specialist waste station. On completion of the project, the tenant liaison officer will thoroughly inspect the area and once satisfied the work has been completed to the highest levels, will invite the resident and client's representative to inspect the room. Once the resident has confirmed they are satisfied with the works, they will be asked to sign the completion note to indicate the project is now complete. Our Homework Centre will then record this information, inform our client, and complete the project file on our system. This process is repeated safely by our teams on thousands of homes across the country every year. Rodar Homeworks, the specialist in domestic asbestos removal.